Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to discuss a very important thing which is on your screen. Difference between and operator, and the second one is or and or operators. Uh, do you know what this operator what type of operator these are? If you know, you can write in the comment box. And what is the basic difference between these and operator or and or operators? If you know, you can write in the comment box. And think about that. If you don't know, think about that. What might be the difference according to your thinking? You may write in the comment box and then come and watch this video. Okay, so let's begin. So and operator, what is the basic difference? First of all, and this two ands are called short circuit and operator. These are called short circuit operator, and this one are normal operator. And same thing over here, short circuit or operator and normal or operator. There is a logical difference between them. What is that? Let's see with an example. Let a and b be two integer type variables. I have not written this in code form in ellipse, so let's not consider that. I have written over here to explain you. So let's check it out. Let a and b be two integer type variables. There are two variables a and b. Assume, it is an assumption, there are integer type a and b variable, and it is written over here, if a not is equals to 0 and b by a is equals to 2. So here the if statements will return true or false value. As you all know, this logical operators will return true or false value according to the statement. If this is true, if a not is equals to true, or b and b by a is equals to 2, this both statements are true, then the if statement will return true. And if a not is equal, if any one of them will be false, then it will return false. That's very simple thing that you all know, I think. And it is written over here, a not is equals to 0 and b by a is equals to 0. So here what it will happen, that if we use single AND operator, then it will calculate both of them. It will calculate both of them. As we all know that if any of the statement is false, then the whole if statement whole value will be false. False and false will return false only. As I know, I think you all know about the truth table, about true false data type values and all things. So over here, if any one of them is false, then the whole value will be false. So if a not is equals to 0 is false and b by a is equals to 2, so if we use single AND operator, then it will calculate both the statement. This one it will check both the statement a not is equals to 0 and b by a is equals to 2 if we use single and if we use double AND, which is short circuit one, then it will calculate only one. If the first one is false, then it is not required to tell the answer that it is false. As in case and if anyone is false, the value is false. That's why if the first statement is false, it is not required to calculate this one. It is not required to calculate this one. But in case we use single AND, both the statements will be calculated, and according to them, the value will be going to be returned. That's very simple, I think. I will summarize it, that if you use single AND, then if two operators, both of them will be calculated. And if two AND, which is short circuit one, is used, then uh, single one first of all calculated, and if required, the second one. If this is true, then only this will be calculated to give the value. As if this one is true and this one is true, both true, then the value will be true. And if this one is true and if this one is false, then the value will be false. So to give answer, it is required to calculate both of the statement when the first one is true, and to give the answer, second one will be also be calculated. So it is also used to stabilize some of the few mistakes which may happen, that if a not is equals to 0, it's calculated that it returns false. And even if we use single and, then this will be also calculated and error will be occur, because if a is equals to 0 and b by a, if the compiler sees b by a, checks that if any integer is divided by 2, an error will be occur. And if we use double AND operator, if the single one first one is false, then it will not be calculated. So here, to stabilize the some few of the errors, here and AND operators are used. And similarly, the or and or operators are used if required. If required to calculate both, then it will be calculated in case of double or operator. And in if we use single or operator, then it is compulsory, the compiler will compulsorily will calculate both the statement and then return the value. It's very simple. Single means both the statement will be calculated, and double means only one statement will be calculated to give the value. And I think so that you have understood this one. If you like this video, then you may hit the like button. So bye.